in this life, nothing they vest me, I be nothing they pay me pass woman, I be lady, where they insult man, they see man finish just because you feel you are having. On this particular episode, this lady, you see what thing they talk, he just they see the guy we're supposed to marry him. He say person we're supposed to marry him, DM her and start asking for money. That's in the vest me. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. See this video and we talk.
For love, before I came to Canada, called me a few months ago to ask me for money, for me to borrow him money. Still in Nigeria, broke. If I had married him a few months ago this year, I would have been somewhere suffering. Dying rapper. Let her sink in.
You heard her, right? It gets some kind of things where people know supposed to do. Because tell me what, first of all, this lady is not right for any man. Because she will kiss and she will tell. You know, when I say kiss and tell, this kind of people, if they give you 1 naira, everybody will know that they give you $5 or 1 kobo. Okay. Secondly, there are some discussions you don't actually have with people. These discussions are discussions you have with your confidants or your family members. You don't come out here online and start telling us just because you have access to the internet. You start shading somebody that you felt you pretend that you have dealings with in the past years. Imagine this guy now see the video online or somebody, because when you're dating somebody, some of your family members know, some of your close friends know. You now come out online and see this video of this girl coming out to tell you, to start saying that years back, somebody that she would have married because of love. But this lady doesn't have, number one, respect for the guy. She doesn't have one single love for this person. Because somebody you love, if you love somebody truly, you don't shade the person, you don't mock the person, you don't even mock the person. Even though you feel some kind of way about the person, you don't come out and say it. Okay. The third one is, you see, Nigeria. Oh God, you see, this country will reduce you to nothing just because you are on a low income. Men, not having money reduces men. Your authority kind of like shifts, because authority, when money is security, money is authority. When you have money, money commands respect, money commands authority, money commands a lot of things. But when men, a babe, a girl, a woman see that this guy, he doesn't have such thing, it starts. See, when women know that, say, this guy, you need to get money, see, finish. The ones with low IQ, you know, say, you get women, you get people with, they are sensible. You get the ones where no get sense. Because on those unsensible ones, just because this one don't go Canada, you don't feel say you don't arrive because you jump back to Canada. You now you have made it in life. You now see the guy finish. A whole man, guy man, because he don't marry you. You know, see, you don't get money now just because he doesn't have money. You now start saying, see, you would have married for love. See, finish because you go Canada. Oh, hi God. If no be for bad leaders, waiting person where they Canada is, they insult Nigerian person where they Naija, because you know, if you say you know get money. If you check now, this woman where they open mouth while they talk this thing, maybe they do cleaning work for Canada. This one maybe now in family sell property, he don't jabba, money don't enter. She said where they talk this thing, maybe in papa get money. She said, because tell me why somebody will come out online and start insulting somebody. Men don't suffer because they don't get money. I don't like when women should stop this thing. If you feel you don't like somebody, please keep it to yourself. Don't come out here online, start opening your mouth. Why? Because there's a video that someone was saying that we don't see Chinese people coming out, a lot of single mothers in China or in Asia. There are lots and lots of single divorced women in Asia. You don't see them coming out online to shade their ex-husband, to shade their ex-wife, to start talking just because talking. I don't know what is wrong with African women. Why do you see our men finish? Even our men say they see our women finish. You see Oyibo, see our men. Some people will not get married to Oyibo woman. You see how they respect the woman. They will not be wanting something. Even someone, I know somebody that went as far as telling their kinsmen that if any way he buy, okay, that the wife will not even cut her hair. But if our woman, our own, the wife will cut the hair, though is our culture. But you see that the kind of respect and high esteem, the man held the partner. So that's one is, by the way. People see, if you are not ready for any relationship, I beg, day your day. That's why you see a lot of single people know they rate relationship again. If you like, know they rate relationship, people are happy in their marriages, people are happy in their home. If you like, come out here and be doing sense in your own relationship. Your relationship is your world. Me, I don't talk finish. My own is, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl, Bella. Peace out.